If you spend hours cleaning up fallen branches after storms or trimming trees around your property, a powerful wood chipper can save you a huge amount of time. Today, we're reviewing the C40 Premium Series Wood Chipper, featuring a 9 HP 274cc gas-powered engine, the ability to handle branches up to 4 inches in diameter, and a heavy-duty shredder and mulcher system designed for serious yard work. But is this machine worth buying for homeowners and landscapers? Let's find out. The C40 Wood Chipper is built for people who regularly deal with tree branches, shrubs, storm debris, and landscaping waste. Instead of hauling piles of branches to the landfill, this machine quickly turns them into useful wood chips and mulch that can be reused around your yard or garden. Its heavy-duty construction makes it suitable for homeowners with large properties, farms, ranches, and even professional landscaping crews. The biggest highlight is the powerful 9-horsepower 274cc gasoline engine. This engine provides enough torque to process hardwood branches, brush, and yard debris efficiently without relying on electricity. The machine accepts branches up to 4 inches thick, making it capable of handling much larger material than many compact electric wood chippers. Its heavy-duty steel cutting system is designed for consistent performance while reducing large piles of branches into manageable mulch. The C40 doesn't just chip wood, it also functions as a shredder and mulcher, giving it greater versatility for different types of yard waste. Leaves, smaller branches, twigs, and brush can all be processed into mulch for landscaping projects. The rugged frame and durable wheels make transporting the machine around larger properties much easier. Its wide feed chute simplifies loading branches while maintaining efficient material flow during operation. The overall construction feels solid and built for demanding outdoor use. During operation, the C40 delivers strong cutting performance. Branches feed smoothly into the chipper, and the engine maintains consistent power even under heavier loads. The resulting wood chips are excellent for garden beds, landscaping, composting, and erosion control. Because it's gas-powered, you're not limited by extension cords or electrical outlets, making it ideal for remote work areas. Like any heavy-duty chipper, proper safety gear and careful operation are essential, but overall the machine performs exactly as expected for serious yard maintenance. So, is the C40 Premium Series Wood Chipper worth buying? If you regularly maintain large properties or deal with heavy yard cleanup, this machine offers impressive performance and excellent value. The combination of a 9 HP 274cc engine, 4-inch branch capacity, shredder and mulcher functionality, durable construction, and portable design makes it a reliable tool for homeowners and professionals alike. While it's larger and more powerful than casual users may need, anyone looking for faster, easier yard cleanup will likely appreciate what the C40 brings to the table. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or current discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews of outdoor power equipment, landscaping tools, home improvement gear, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.